Hello guys, welcome to my AI Power-Up channel. If you're a fan of those chill, Lofi beats that set the perfect mood for studying, working, or just relaxing, you're in for a treat today. Nowadays, Lofi music is perfect for content creators, music enthusiasts, or anyone looking to add a personalized soundtrack to their day. So how to create royalty-free lo-fi music. Today I'm going to talk about how to make Lofi music without copyright in 3 steps. This is the royalty-free Lofi music that I generated within 1 minute. Sounds great, right? For this demo, I'm using the free AI music generator Mubert. Let's see how to create Lofi music. Step 1. Navigate to the Mubert website and create an account using either your Google account or email address. Once signed in, select the Generate Your Track option. Step 2. Input your creative prompt, like relaxed Lofi music for working. Then customize your track by selecting its type, duration. When you're ready, hit the Generate Track button. Step 3. Hang tight for a while when your unique music track is being crafted. Once it's ready, you can dive in and enjoy your newly generated music. Listen, it's wonderful and pretty easy to make Lofi music by Mubert tool. There's still something I should remind of you. While it's thrilling to produce Lofi music with Mubert, it's also crucial to understand the legal side. AI-generated tracks are copyright-free, meaning you can use them freely. However, always check the tool's licensing agreement to ensure your use complies with their terms. And you can buy the basic plan to get your copyright-free Lofi music track. Okay, this is all for today's episode. If you have any questions about how to make copyright-free lo-fi music, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.